cheapest contacts, Chinese contacts, they can destroy your expensive engine. If your European Classic is coughing or stumbling, don't touch your carburetor yet. You might be victim of worn or low-quality contacts. And low-quality contacts can kill your engine. Patrick's Garage. Before you're spending hours adjusting Zenith Stromberg carburetor, look inside your ignition distributor. Cheap or worn contacts, it's death sentence for your engine. They can be worn so fast, this surface can be worn. This contact material on the surface is too soft. This material transfers from one contact to another, and this changes dwell. This is just simple plastic. This is rubbing block. They can be worn easily, especially if the lobes not greased. They can be worn easily, so the gap closes, timing retards, and car loses its power because of wrong contacts in your distributor. So this rubbing block worn, your lobes, on this shaft can be worn from rubbing on this surface, wrong surface. This should be greased, these lobes should be greased, otherwise they will be worn fast. And also here should be felt ring inside. Look here, felt ring inside. Couple drops of oil, even from your dipstick, will be enough to grease. And here also should be oil. This oil, you can drop this oil here from dipstick too and close. This oil goes to this bushing, to this shaft. It oils this shaft, but this oils your shaft for your centrifugal mechanism. It works. Hey, look, with centrifugal power, and it can't stuck. If it will not work, you want to avoid seizure of this centrifugal advance. When you want to disassemble your distributor, you can add grease here. These holes shouldn't be oval. You want to pay close attention to them. And this plate for vacuum advance also should be greased. These two plates between them should be greased. And this is distributor from 240 series. This is distributor from 140 series B20. Yes, you see, they're different oil for shaft. And here you see arrows clockwise direction 240 series, anti-clockwise direction 140 series. Their difference, you look at the shaft play, it shouldn't be too much because this shaft can be worn. This is high quality German tolerance. This is 140 series, engine B20. This is Volvo 240 series. They different. And even these caps also different. They're not interchangeable. And these condensers also not interchangeable. They're different. Your car feels sluggish not because of carburetor, but because your distributor frozen inside. Probably, but you want to check distributor first, and then you want to mess with your carburetor. This beautiful distributor were standard for decades. Yes, they different, but the same recommendations. for all distributors, 140 series, 240 series, Mercedes W114, W115, BMW, Volkswagen. Also, they use this distributor, Bosch. This is beautiful distributor. They are very reliable distributors and all obvious. You can repair these distributors by your own hands. You can repair them yourself. You don't want to go to service station and you don't want to spend additional money for these clowns which they want to say a lot of things. You want to change diagnostic tools. You don't want to buy these diagnostic tools. And this distributor, they simple in maintenance, just you want to oil them, grease them, and original spare parts. Original parts require, I am rebuild this distributor for my 140 series. I bought contacts, I bought this capacitor and a condenser, and I'm replaced this cap because I'm afraid I had electric stroke from this cap when I'm adjusted this distributor with my ignition light. I tried to rotate and I feel this electricity on the surface, and if your worn lobes on your shaft and your mark when you're going to timing this, it will bouncing all over the pulley, with timing light. I noticed this, and will be better to maintain, timing gears in good condition and lobes on this distributor shaft, so you can adjust your ignition easily before you're going to touch your beautiful British carburetor Zenith Stromberg. First, with German precise, you want to adjust these distributors first before you go to your carburetor. This is false economy when you're going to buy this cheapest contacts, Chinese contacts. They can destroy your expensive engine. They'll fail after 500 miles and you'll need to adjust them again, dwell, advance. All will be wrong because of this plastic will be worn. And you want to add not greased lobes of your shaft, and this plastic will be worn so fast. The thing is that they, as I mentioned before, these distributors are different. Contacts different, there's vacuum advance different, condenser different, you should always see this number, Bosch 0231, and then they're different numbers. And here also look at this number, Bosch 0231146077. This is Bosch, but at the beginning they are exactly the same. Bosch 0231, Bosch 0231, but they different. This is original Bosch distributors, and you want to buy also original spare parts for them, because this will be false economy if you want to buy something cheap and substitutes generic parts. I'm highly recommend to use Bosch spare parts. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.